Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In previous video we make this application, and this is just a mp3 player where we can only play a single music. Okay, that's not our aim. Our aim to develop a music player which will play a single music. Okay, there the player will fetch directory or mp3 file from the storage, and then we can click any one music and the music will play. We have to develop a music player. Step by step we are going to create a music player. Okay, so today in this video we are going to create the splash screen of our player. So let's start it. At first we need a activity. Okay, because there is only one activity, which is main activity. Let's create a activity. Right click on this player, java com example this. Here right click on player, go to new, and here we have to choose the activity which is empty activity. Okay, so this, and let's take a name as splash screen. Splash screen. Okay, click enter, and it will generate the a display that may we add this file to git. No, after the project complete, then we will add it on git. Okay, so no, now let's cancel it, and our activity is created. Now we have to take the background images which we see in the application. I downloaded the files, and I will provide the files in the description box. So let's copy and paste the files. Okay, so this is the images. This is our main splash screen, and this image will animating. Okay, left to middle. Let's copy this, copy, and paste it in drawable. Okay, drawable, paste here. Okay, no, we don't want to add it in git. Okay, we copy paste the files. Now we have to implement those photos into our splash screen activity. This is our activity. Let's drag and drop the image view, and let's take this is pl. Okay, this image. Okay, now as your need, you, because we are using constant layout, we have to constrain the image, constrain it slowly, just like this, and we constrained it successfully. Now let's go to .manifest file, where we have to declare the splash screen as our launcher activity. Okay, so just change this main activity to splash screen activity. Dot splash screen. Okay, and declare this as main activity. Okay, now our splash screen activity is the main launcher activity. After that we have to go to the values section, go to there is no any style folder. Let's create a style directory, value resource file, which will be style. Okay, no, now here, so in this style.xml, here we declare that we use this image as our background in splash screen activity. We also have to declare the background as black, because this photo the background is black. So let's write down the code. Okay, so style. The name will be the theme dot app dot wait theme dot app dot starting. Okay, and the parent will be theme dot app compat dot dnet. Okay, this is the parent, and okay, done. This is the basically this is the name of the style, and after that we have to set the background or window background, which will be these. So let's write down the code, which will be item. The name will be Android Windows splash screen animation icon, no background splash screen background, no window background. Okay, so this is the attribute. Now we have to locate the source file location. Okay, so it will in our drawable, which is font. Okay, this is done, our background. Now we have to declare the splash screen background as black, because this image is black, because this image is black, otherwise it will not look well. The side will be covered like if the side look like another color, then it will be damaged. So let's declare the background as black. Item, the name will be splash screen background. Okay, splash screen background here, and this will be black. Okay, so add the red color black. After that we have to animate the file, animate this file. If we want to animate this file, so we need a animation folder. Let's create a anim folder where we can write down the animation code. So let's create a resource directory, which will be the anim. Okay, anim, and okay, this is the directory. Now let's create a animation resource directory, which will be animation. Okay, no, cancel. Inside the set we have to take the translate. Okay, in this translate section we need the duration, Android duration, which will be some values. Let's take this. Okay, and we need Android from x delta to x delta will be minus 100%, and we need from void delta, this will be 0%. Okay, this is the approach. Okay, I think collapse entity. Okay, translate complete. Now we need the alpha. In this alpha section also we need the duration, Android duration, which will be same as above, and after that we need from to alpha to from alpha. Okay, so at first from alpha, which will be 0.1 or something, that's okay, and to alpha we need the 2 alpha, that will be 1.0. Okay, so this will work or animation. It will animate the picture from left side to middle. Okay, you understand? So this code will animate this photo from left side to middle. Now write down here to animate this photo. Okay, so the code is Okay, item, the name will be Android Windows splash screen animation. There's no animated icon. That's, and we have to locate the file which will be the drawable, which is front. Okay, because we need to animate this photo. Okay, we are done. Now let's go to Android manifest, and here we have to write down some code to implement this. And because we work in splash screen activity, we have to write down here Android theme. We are going to change the theme, which is this theme.app.starting. Theme.app.starting. Okay, so now we are done. After that, let's go to splash screen activity. Now we have to write down some code in the splash screen activity. At first, let's change the ID name, which will be the image. Okay, we are done. Now we have to write down some code in slash screen activity. Declare the image view. So private image view, that name is image1, and we have to find the image1. So image1 is equal to find view by id r.id.image1. Okay, we find the image. Now let's load the animation. So animation, anything animation is equal to okay, animation utils dot load animation. The context will be this, which is splash screen, and the file location is, or the animation file location is ni is okay. So r dot ni dot animation. Okay, so this is our animation, and we loaded the animation. After that, we have to start the animation. So we have to animate the image1. So image1 dot start animation, which is animation. Okay, we done the animation. After the animation done, we have to go to the main activity. Okay, so here we are using the handler, and inside the handler we use the intent to go main activity. Okay, so let's create the handler, new handler dot post delete. Okay, here we're creating a runnable, and we implement the method run. Here we run an intent is equal to new intent. So we are going from this activity splash screen dot this to main activity dot class. Okay, after that start activity intent, and here we have to we have to take a millisecond value, which will use the handler. So let's take it 2000 millisecond. Okay, so all done. The last work is to run the application, and let's check it is working or not. Runs finished. I think it is installing. Okay, here we got a problem. So let's change this and take this here. Okay, now let's run it. Yes, we are done. So that's the project. Okay, we are done, and we see that our splash screen is working perfectly, and we redirect the splash screen activity to main activity in this code section using handler. And that is all about today's video. Our application launched successfully and also working. The next video will upload soon, so to subscribe my channel for latest notification. Also, if you get some knowledge from my video, like my video, and also if you want to give feedback, that will be good advice for me. So comment down below for feedback. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. See you again. Bye for now.